Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing power and using an admin account so the recovery environment can run reliably. Once done, go to Start, click the power icon, then hold Shift while you choose Restart. This forces Windows to boot into the recovery launcher instead of normal startup. You do this because the Shift plus Restart bypasses a normal reboot and triggers Windows to present troubleshooting options. Make sure to keep Shift held until you see the blue recovery options screen appear. Once the recovery menu appears, select Troubleshoot to access repair tools and why each matters. Advanced Options gives you System Restore for undoing recent changes or Command Prompt for manual fixes. Choose Startup Settings when you need Safe Mode. It presents boot options after a restart. If the built-in menu is missing, select Use a device to boot from USB recovery media you created earlier. You do this because alternate boot can recover a corrupt system that now restart from startup settings and press 4 for safe mode or 5 for safe mode with networking. Safe mode loads minimal drivers so you can remove drivers or software causing failures. Once booted, run System Restore or Open command, prompt to run sfc/scano and dism to repair system files. These tools fix corruption without a full reinstall. If the recovery environment never appears, create USB recovery media on another Windows PC and boot from it. This resolves most cases where built.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.